So you want to go trekking in Nepal, the home of the Himalayas? It's awesome. Here's what you need to know. First off, this is a country where prayer flags flutter in the wind and the mighty Himalayas stand tall. It's truly a place where adventure meets spirituality. Now let's dive into our list. No one? Pick the right trek. Have you heard of the famous Everest Base Camp trek or the Annapurna circuit? Well, there are tons of options from easy to hard, so how do you choose? Well, if you're new to trekking, start with the Gorpani or Langtong treks. They're shorter and not as high up, perfect for beginners. But if you're feeling adventurous, go for the Everest Base Camp trek or the Annapurna circuit. Just keep in mind that these treks are serious and require good fitness levels. And here's a bonus tip. Island Peak, also called MJC, is a great option for those who want to summit a peak under 6,000 meters. Number 2, get trek ready. Trekking in Nepal is no joke. It involves rough paths, rocky terrain, and steep climbs. So you need to be prepared. Start your training at least 6 to 8 weeks before your trek. Focus on your heart and lungs, do some hiking, and build those leg muscles. Remember, it's all about gradual progress. Oh, and don't forget to walk on uneven surfaces to get used to the trails. You've got this. Number 3, acclimatize smart. Altitude sickness can put a damper on your trek, so don't take any chances. Take it slow. Rest when needed, and watch out for headaches, nausea, and dizziness, which are signs of altitude sickness. If you're not feeling well, don't push yourself. Stay put and give your body time to adjust. And remember, it's crucial to spend extra days at higher camps to get used to the thinner air. Never skip acclimatization. It's your secret weapon for a smooth trek. No. 4, pack the right gear. What you pack makes all the difference. So let's cover the essentials. Trekking boots to protect your feet, layered clothing to keep you warm and dry, a good sleeping bag for cozy nights at the camps, trekking poles to help you hike more efficiently, a water purification system to ensure safe, drinking water, a first aid kit for any unexpected mishaps, and don't forget your passport permits and a headlamp for those dark trails. Oh, and if you need to hire porters to carry your luggage, do it well in advance. No. 5, permits and documents. Before you hit the trails, you need to get the necessary permits. The Trekker's Information Management System card, also known as the TIMS card, is mandatory for all trekkers in Nepal. And depending on the region you plan to trek in, you'll need additional permits. For example, the Annapurna Conservation Area permit, or a CAP, and the Sagarmatha permit for the Everest region. You can obtain these permits through a trekking agency or in Kathmandu. Make sure you have them before starting your trek. No. 6, go with a guide and porter. Hiring a local guide is not only helpful, but highly recommended. Licensed guides will enhance your trekking experience with their expertise, ensuring your safety along the way. Plus, they'll help you navigate the trails, provide valuable insights, and ensure you follow the right paths. And don't underestimate the value of porters. They'll carry your luggage so you can focus on enjoying the stunning scenery. Number 7, prioritize safety. Your safety should be the top priority. Check the weather forecast regularly, as sudden changes in weather can occur in the mountains. Carry essential safety gear such as a GPS, map and compass, and a portable oxygen cylinder for high-altitude treks. It's also wise to travel with a buddy for support and help. Never trek alone in remote areas. Be cautious and prepared for emergencies. No. 8, time it right. The best time for trekking in Nepal is during the autumn season, which falls between September and November. The skies are clear, the views are spectacular, and the weather is pleasant. Spring, which lasts from March to May, is also a popular time to trek, as the rhododendrons are in full bloom and the weather is mild. But be prepared for occasional rain showers. No. 9, respect local culture. When you trek in Nepal, you'll encounter diverse cultures, religions, and traditions. So it's important to show respect, learn a few basic Nepali phrases, dress modestly when visiting religious sites, and always ask permission before taking photos of people or sacred places. Your cultural sensitivity will go a long way in making your journey more meaningful and enjoyable. Number 10, travel sustainably. Nepal's natural beauty is breathtaking, from snow-capped peaks to lush valleys. Let's preserve it. Practice the principles of leave no trace, use reusable water bottles, and avoid single-use plastics. Support eco-friendly lodges and initiatives. By doing so, we ensure that the Himalayas remain pristine for generations to come. So there you have it, the top 10 things you need to know before trekking in Nepal. Are you ready to embark on your own adventure in the Himalayas? Remember, preparation and respect are key. Do you have any questions about trekking in Nepal? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to help you out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Safe travels and happy trekking. Till then, namaste.